Hello everybody. This is Peppino and Noise's quest to get the epic P rank. Whoa. Yeah, and this one is a Christmas. Alright. Christmas was actually pretty good this year. Even though I've been up since 3. It's actually been pretty great. Cause I ate like a whole tray of hash brown casserole for breakfast. Then I had me some water. For the gifts, really, the gifts were actually pretty great this year. I got a slot machine coin holder, some SpongeBob poker cards, which the SpongeBob poker cards are the coolest thing ever. Besides that, everything oh yeah, my CD player. I also got a CD player. And dude, this CD player is like actually so friggin' epic because it's see-through, right? Meaning like you can see through it. Well, yeah. But like I really do like the see-through stuff. I think the aesthetic has a name called hip hues or whatever. I don't know, but what I do know is I'm gonna try and get the Pizza Tower CD with all the rock songs. And well, I'm gonna listen to it. I swear, I do not like this secret. Cause it's so. Also, the noise, and I'm also playing with a mod on that adds like the beta noise from the concept book. Oh. Is it really fun to play with, but very, very hard. Cause some sections like this, right, are really, really hard. So that's why I'm gonna have to switch between pep and noise. But for lap 1, I'll do the noise. You know what? We're gonna go for Jerome, second lap. Pizza Tower is one of my favorite games. I mean, I've loved this game ever since 2020. Like, back during lockdown, this game was so beautiful. And the music, too. To me, the music is the cherry. Is really, really good. My favorite Pizza Tower fan game though is Super Bonus. I love Super Bonus. The sprite work is so beautiful in that game. It is really phenomenal. And the music too. I love Super Bonus music. Though my favorite Pizza Tower mod, I genuinely don't know. Alright, for lap 2, I'm gonna play it safe and go with Pep. Since sections like that can be really, really hard with this movement mod for the noise, so I just want to play it safe. If there's one mod that I would love to see happen, or like, no, it's coming out eventually, but it's like the Doises Purgatory mod. I love the idea of Dois being in Purgatory. But besides that, I'm ready for the Noel mod. I played the demo. It's really fun. I'm gonna make it. I really hope that I don't have to go with Pizza Verse and not win 2 seconds. I cannot. There we are. And the quest for a P rank is complete. Merry Christmas, everybody. And bye.